pag nawala ako sa political scene, either natanggal ako o namatay ako or whatever, for any reason, sabi ko sa kanya, hiningi ko na sa Pilipinas na tulungan ka pagdating ng panahon mo at tumakbo ka ng presidente at continue. Hindi ko hinarang yan, ma'am, ngayon na lang, of late, because I think I'm pretty with this kind of problem pa ulit-ulit. Sabi ko, sige, sundin mo na, and for all the unanswered issues, ikaw na ang magpatuloy ng sumagot. At kung ma-presidente ka man, sundin mo lang yung style ko at okay ka. Huwag kang matakot, sabi ko, makulong ka.
So did you say sundin ang style mo?
Oo.
Ano particularly, sir, ang style ni PRRD ang gusto niyo makuha po ni VP Sara para mag-think okay talaga?
You cannot change the Philippines overnight into a trouble-free country. But you can minimize the misery of the people in the hands of the oppressors and the criminals and all. Pwede mo na rin patayin lahat para isang hearing na naman.
Sir, kaya yung mga ganyang salita mo, sir, kaya ano eh. Anyway, sir,
tama yan.
Napag-usapan niyo pa ni VP about sa kanyang impeachment, sir?
Hindi naman naniniwala yung babae niya ng payo. At saka hindi naman interesado yan kung ma-impeach talaga siya o well, impeachment ay proceeding. The trial itself, you should not worry a bit. I don't know, but makita mo naman yung sa karakter ng babae na yan. It's totally indifferent yung mga problema na yan. I mean, she can always respond, but as always she has been responding to me. Well, I can always transfer to a new life, a new beginning. Ganun yan siya eh. So pagka ganun ang kasusap po ang tao, hindi mo mabigyan ng payo. What for? Hindi naman nakikinig.
Okay. Sir, what made you change your heart? Kasi alam namin nung una, lagi niyo pong dinidiscourage si Ma'am Inday na wag talagang tatakbo kasi you've been there. Alam niyo, ayaw niyo siyang mahirapan. What made you change your heart and mind and now you're convincing your daughter to run na po for president? Why the change of heart po?
Para yung well, she truly loves her country. Dapat gawin niyang gawin. At this time, at this point in time, when paalis na ako at patanda na, at maybe sooner than expected, I will make my exit as a politician.
And then how did she respond, or what was her reply to you, sir?
I think si Inday has become a political animal. Kasi lolo niya for the longest time, governor of Davao Province yung isa pa. Parang